Hello, I'm Kurt Browning, Pasco County Superintendent of Schools. Thank you for attending Open House. The fact that you are taking the time to attend Open House says a lot. It says that you are committed to your students' success. And we know that parent involvement is perhaps the best indicator of student success. Once again, we are starting our school year under unusual and trying circumstances. As with any plan, success is greatly enhanced when we work together collaboratively as a team. You are an integral part of that team, and you play an essential role. With that in mind, I urge you to try to maintain high levels of engagement throughout the year to ensure that your student attends school on time and ready to learn, and to establish and maintain open lines of communication with your students' teachers and school leadership. And that includes making sure that we have the most up-to-date contact information for you and your family. Also, become part of the solution. We will continue to face challenges. Our teachers and staff members are doing their best. There will be time when you can help out or simply offer a word of encouragement. It would make a huge difference. With patience, kindness, and creativity, we will be just fine. Let me also remind everyone about our student and visitor screener. Everyone who visits one of our school campuses should be familiar with the self-screener. It's a brief series of questions regarding your health. If you answer yes to any of these questions regarding fever and other symptoms, you should not be on campus. It's just a quick guide that can help keep everyone healthy, and it can be found right at the top of all school websites. Another thing to look for is the green Submit Questions button on school websites and the green Contact Us button on the district website. This button will come in handy when you have a question and you're not sure where to go to get an answer. Thousands of parents have gotten answers to their questions already, and we are committed to being responsive and helpful when you send us questions. Once again, thank you for taking the time to attend Open House. We know we have the same goal in mind, student success. When we work together, we know we can reach that goal. Thank you.